Oh, hey. How have you been, everyone? I am GameMaker A, and I am making an update video. Not BonQuest, but this is an update video about BonQuest, so I guess that'll count. I am changing the Let's Write formula again. So far, it's been me coding features of the game, and then I record myself explaining how to do it. That tutorial part was done live. I tend to stutter and pause a lot, and the last episode was a big example. Now it's all going to be done in post-editing, and it's no longer going to be me recording GameMaker Studio and stuff. Instead, it will all be demonstrated in Adobe Premiere. I don't know what this is. Yes, I'll be switching video editors. PowerDirector was giving me a bunch of problems that just came out of nowhere. Oh my gosh! I took a look at PowerDirector 13 and it had the same problems. It didn't even seem that much different, so I know this is going to cost me $240 a year or so, but I want to switch to professional software, and I'm looking in the wrong place. PowerDirector 13 Ultimate isn't ultimately going to cut it for me. Oh, did you see what I did there? This update video allows me if I can do everything in Premiere because it has different settings and codecs, and gotta make sure it works. So far, it looks like the only problem I have with Premiere is when I'm playing a game, and then like if there's nothing changing in the frame, it will just skip the frame, and then Premiere will just like jump to the next frame. So it could desync the audio that way. And anyways, I don't know why I've been avoiding this question for so long. Why am I showing my face? Well, first off, I feel like you should get used to me seeing my face all the time because I am the developer of this game, and you want to recognize the developer of the game with his face, and he's got like acne and stuff. I need to fix that up, and I just got a haircut, and that's why it looks so buzz cut. I know I'm using a crappy webcam, and there's like blue fuzz going around on the left side of the screen right here, but I will upgrade later. I feel like the Let's Writes have been pretty boring recently. Now I'm going to change it up. I want to show that tutorials do not have to be boring. I like to show my passion for video editing, and I think this is the way it's going to work. I'll be doing the same thing as I was doing before. I was selecting the code and the lines, and then showing what happens to each of these parts of the code and stuff. That's still going to happen, but it's just going to be in Adobe Premiere style. Yeah. There's a weird thumbs up. Right there, pointing it. Bam, bam. The gameplay and coding segments will be separated into two different videos. There's the coding is going to be in its Let's Write, and the gameplay will be in an update video. Desk. Since people like to watch shorter videos, I think this is going to work out for both of us. By both, I mean me and like everyone in the world who's going to see this video. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to keep this video rather short. I'm not dead. I'll never be dead. I have a really big update coming soon. This is how I represent how big it is. It's like between this hand and this hand. It is not that much space because all this desktop is like, I'm already hitting the computer right here. But it's a big update. I don't know when I will finish. That's the thing with game development. You can never anticipate when you will be done with something. But this update is going to have the biggest and most important feature in the game. The ability editor. Yes, you heard me. Having your own character is one way to define yourself. But having your own attacks? Man, that's something else. I've been wanting to make this for a good while now. Just wait until you get your hands on this. The ability editor is going to be used in Premiere Timeline style, so it's going to be quick to learn how to use this. This screenshot is not final. It's still a big work in progress. I don't know what I'm going to be keeping or not. The update has a bunch of other changes that I can't really list real quick because real. But I'm not going to spoil anything else. You'll have to wait. Speaking of gameplay segments, I do have another announcement. For every estimated 5% of the engine I make, I release a checkpoint video. A checkpoint is essentially a big gameplay video where I host a big party and then we have a bunch of chaos and it's going to be fun. It will definitely be something worth watching. It will be more than just Hyodai and I. You'll have to wait for it, yeah! That is all I have to say today. The next video you'll see from me is the checkpoint, unless I decide to add a video for new subscribers looking at my channel or something. Anyways, bye! So far it's been me coding features of the game. So far it's been me covering features of the game. So far it's been me coding features of the game and then me coming back and explaining all the stuff and blah 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 blah. Alright, one more time. So far it's been me... Dang! So far it's been me coding features of the game and then coming back and explaining... Oh my gosh, I did the same thing. So far it's been me coding features of the game and I can't see this part. So far it's been me coding features of the game, and then I record myself explaining. I'm not looking at the camera, yay! That tutorial part was done live. What is this? I took a look at Power Director 13, and I am moving my hand a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot? Y'all know what that means. But I will upgrade. That's the thing with game development. You can never attempt an end to. That's the thing with game development. You can never attempt. Oh man, I can't get that word out. That's the thing with game development. Oh my God, start over. That's the thing with That's the thing with game development. You can never attempt. Why am I smiling for this? That's the thing with game development. You can never anticipate when you'll be done with something. One more time. I'll get this one more time. I've been wanting to make this for a good while. Oh my gosh. The ability editor is going to be a Premiere style, Premiere timeline style. Okay. The update has a bunch of other changes that I can't list. Oh wait.